In the heart of the Roaring '60s, a time of cultural revolution and innovation, a new player entered the automotive stage. Picture this, the year is 1965, and Chevrolet introduces a vehicle that would forever etch its name into the annals of classic car history. The Chevy truck, an embodiment of strength, reliability, and American craftsmanship. Now imagine an old Chevy truck, once gleaming and robust, now weathered by time. The paint, once vibrant, has faded and chipped away, revealing the raw, rusty metal beneath. But beneath the patina of age lies a story waiting to be retold, a legacy waiting to be revived. The journey of restoration begins with a thorough examination. Every detail, every nook and cranny scrutinized with an artisan's eye. The truck is stripped down to its bare bones, revealing the skeleton upon which it was built. Every piece is catalogued, every part assessed for its ability to carry forward the story of this iconic machine. Then comes the meticulous process of restoration, a labor of love that demands patience, precision, and an unyielding respect for the original design. Each component, whether it's the engine block or a tiny screw, is cleaned, repaired, or replaced with an exact replica. This isn't just about fixing an old truck. It's about preserving a piece of history. A new layer of paint is applied, a color that mirrors the original hue, bringing back the truck's youthful glow. The chrome shines once again, the leather seats regain their plushness, and the engine roars back to life, just as it did in 1965. In the world of classic cars, it's not just about the destination, but also the journey. The process is a testament to the craftsmanship of the past and the passion of the present. It's a dance between the old and the new, a delicate balance of preserving the past while embracing the modern. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. With the turn of a key, the Chevy truck roars back to life. The once rusty, worn-out shell has been transformed into a beautifully restored classic, a testament to the beauty of age, the allure of nostalgia, and the enduring appeal of American craftsmanship. Restored to its former glory, the Chevy truck stands as a symbol of a bygone era, a tangible link to our past. It's a reminder of the ingenuity and resilience that defined the '60s, a testament to the timeless appeal of quality and design. In the end, it's not just a truck, it's a piece of history, a story of transformation, a testament to the power of restoration. The Chevy truck once again takes its rightful place as an icon of American automotive history, revived, restored, and ready for the road ahead.